It doesn't start with a recall notice. It starts with a message, "Can you explain this batch?" At that moment everything comes down to data. Batch codes, timestamps, QC status, and movement. The data exists, but not together. Inventory lives somewhere. QA records somewhere else, dispatch in another system. And raw materials exist in sheets no one keeps track of. No single picture, no clear answer. And then the chaos begins. Calling suppliers, checking with warehouses, digging through WhatsApp chats, searching old reports. Spreadsheets don't match, records are missing. And every minute feels like a risk. Byte Elephants ERP brings everything into one place. When systems are built for reality, chaos disappears, and control begins. Batch traceability, raw to retail tracking, production visibility, audit-ready reports. Everything connected, everything accounted for. End-to-end traceability for complete recall readiness. From a retailer SKU you can trace back to the distributor, the warehouse, the factory, the raw material, and the vendor. No panic, no guesswork. Just complete control at your fingertips. It's not just about running and securing your business. It's also about scaling it. One platform, both outcomes. Don't wait for a recall to test your system. Book a demo.